Hi guys, I just simply can't resist copying a new idea. Let's have a look. Getting there. Probably need some more wood flame in the riser. I think I was running out, but anyway, quite done. So put some more wood in. Let's see what the vortex is looking like. Nice single vortex. And she's back in again. I really need longer kebabs. I wanted to put them on here and then have the brick, fire brick, just covering it so that it would enclose the kebab apart from the metal shaft. I think we're going to finish up now. Looks good to me. Doesn't look sooty either. Excellent. Okay, thanks for watching.